Hi guys, I'm Emmanuel Van der, editor-in-chief of Multihulls World, and today we are about the BALI CATSMART, which is really a big world premiere. We are really the first one to discover this really new catamaran. Stay with us, stay tuned.
Hey guys, welcome at Multihulls World on the BALI CATSMART today. It's a brand new baby just launched. We're about to have it on display at the next International Multihull show in La Grande Motte, mid-April 23. It's one of the first time we sell the boat, and we can say that it's already quite a nice success because it sells beautifully with a low boom and overlapping genoa. And something new on that boat is of course the design in itself, but we also offer different layouts like 2, 3 or 4 cabins, and I insist on the 2 cabins because it's 2 owners' hull. So it's really dedicated to the comfort and to the pleasure of being at sea. No compromise on the volumes, so it's a pretty nice boat. We had lunch and the weather is quite nice, very light conditions, but still, I mean, with the beautiful sails area, it performs quite well. So welcome on the next Multihull show in La Grande Motte, and you could see this boat in detail.